construction of any polygon in a given circle. Now the polygon we're going to construct would have 7 sides in this example. And the circle would be a diameter of 110 millimeter. You start by drawing a line in the center of the paper. Establish the center point of the circle. Open your compass now to the radius of the circle. For this circle, the radius would be 55, which is half of the diameter. And you draw your circle. Label both ends of the diameter A, B. And the first step in dealing with this construction is that you must divide the diameter into 7 parts. Okay? If the polygon have 7 sides, you divide it into 7 parts. If it was a 6-sided figure, you will divide here into 6. If it's a 10-sided figure, you divide this into 10 parts. You're using your construction for line division. One line from one end. Taking your compass and marking 7 equal division on this line. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 division here. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Connecting point 7 to the opposite end of the line. Now drawing lines parallel to that one from each of the points you have just marked off. Point of interest would be the second one from the E. You want to be interested at this point on the diameter. Next, you take your compass at point A, open it to point B. Draw an arc to the top. Up and going on the other side. Draw an arc. So that they will cross at this point here. Call that point C. Using your ruler now, draw a line from point C, and it must pass through point 2 on the diameter of the circle. So from C, passing through point 2, you draw a line and continue drawing that line until it crosses the circumference of the circle here. Alright? So it will give you this point here. Let's call that point D. Taking your compass, open it from A to D, and mark off starting from D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last point should intersect right here, back at A, at this point. Connect these points on the circumference that you have just found with straight lines to form your 7-sided figure. A, D, E, F, G, H, I. This figure is your 7-sided polygon. And a 7-sided polygon is called a heptagon. So take note. If you had to draw a 5-sided figure, this will be divided into 5 parts. It will still be using point 2 to draw this line. Nothing would change after. Based on how much side the polygon have, you divide the diameter into that number of parts. Good? And then you carry out the construction as seen. Okay? So remember point 2, and remember 7 is the amount we're dividing it into.